Hello guys, Strikoder here and welcome back to a new episode of the Active Directory Hacking Lab. So in today's episode we're gonna install our workstations. So here as you can see I have already installed the two of them, but I ran into an issue, so I'm gonna repeat that. So you need to press on new, then select the Windows ISO that we installed and give it a name. So in my case it would be test1, and in here leave it as it is, and type a password. I will type the same one with the domain administrator. So as you can see here, I have already two machines and I recorded based on them. So I need, unfortunately, to re-record everything, because once you set up your machine and your username is the same as the machine name, you don't get the administrator privileges, so you cannot run anything as administrator, thus you cannot connect to the domain controller or do anything else. So I will do that with different names. So here VBox user and here test1. I'm gonna check the RAM. I'm gonna give this around 3. CPU's probably like 12, and 50 is good with me. Let me run that. Let me press new. The same thing here, test2. Let me Windows 10. Unattended. I will do the same thing. Let me here type 2. And I will give this. We can change the RAM and the configurations later. So don't worry about that. And meet me after the install finishes. So when it finishes, you will be prompted with everything is ready for you. Just wait a little bit and you will be logged on into your desktop. Okay, so we are prompted into the desktop. First of all, you can try and install the guest edition. So after you insert them, you're gonna search for this PC. Let me make this bigger. Go to the drive and run this as administrator. So whenever you run anything as an administrator, if you see only no, then you have an issue. You need to fix that. One of the ways that you're gonna have this issue, if you have the user box field is the same as the machine name field. So here, let's just run that. Yes, next, next on both machines. And probably they will prompt us to reboot. I will tell them not now because we need to change machines names. So here view, let me view PC name here as well. So this PC name would be changed into lab media, and here the first machine would be lab finance, the same as in the meme. I'm looking for a man in finance, 6'5", blue eyes. And here we're gonna restart, and that's it for this episode. Follow me to next episode to configure the lab DC.